a fantastic weekend, and just want this video. I just want to run a quick analysis. I don't want to make this video too long, so I just want to go through what I'm going to be seeing, expecting from this week, and yeah. So on Monday, tomorrow, I'm going forth. That's Monday. Monday we have nothing on the economic calendar, so Monday is probably going to be a holiday for us, so I won't be in the market. So Tuesday we have ISM service PMI, so we have a news event 5th Tuesday. On Wednesday we have something on dollar. We also have Fed Chairman Powell testifies and job openings. So we have something at 8:15 and 10. So I'm more interested in this 10 a.m. news release. And on Thursday we also have so it's quite an interesting week, and it's an NFP week. It's also an NFP week. So on Friday we also have non-farm payroll, non-farm employment change. That's non-farm payroll in the US. So that's it. Let's go to the chart. So let's analyze it and see what we'll be expecting from price. So yeah, coming into the chart, you can see we are really bullish in the market on the US index, but I want to start my analysis from the dollar. So right here on the DXY, what I'm seeing price trading into on the weekly time frame. Yeah, so I'm starting my analysis from the weekly time frame because that's what I'm interested in. So on this weekly time frame, it looks like price trade into this inefficiency here, and we have buy side, sell side liquidity resting below all these areas. So looking at this whole price analysis here, I don't want to do too much breakdown. You see how everything I already annotated everything here. So there was a run and stop here into invasion fair value gap. So price didn't take out this high. So this didn't take out this high. So this served as a rejection block. Yeah, into the 50% of this invasion fair value gap. So we broke down. We have a fair value. We have an imbalance here. So price is trading into it. So you see the body of these candles telling the story, and I'm expecting lower price on the dollar. So opening it into we going into the new week, so I'm expecting to see. Let me zoom it out a little. So I'm expecting lower price on dollar. So probably taking out previous week low, previous week's low. Yeah, I'm expecting to take out previous week's low. Probably just to see price go into look for a PDR rate, just then send it a PDR rate above, then send it back. Then let's go straight to the daily time frame. I don't want to go down on time frames too much, so I just want to be very brief, like I said. So looking at what we had on, so that this thick line here is the fair value gap on the daily, on the weekly, sorry. So if you see, we traded into it nicely, probably inside around the 50% of consequent encroachment of that monthly fair value gap or a weekly fair value gap. So we run our stop, broke structure, and yeah. So from this low to this high, I was looking for price to trade back into the 50% of the range, which we have. This whole body candle here was a change in the state of delivery for us, and there was a volume imbalance right there in between this candle and this candle. So price traded into it here first, then the opening of this new month, price traded above these two candles here and rejected to the downside. But I'm still expecting price to go touch the opening price of the month, then continue running down for this low, all these are sell side liquidity right here on the daily time frame. So for this month, I'm expecting lower price. No doubt, I'm expecting lower price. So I don't want to go into details so much. So let me go straight to so yeah, I'll be analyzing the US 100. So on Nasdaq, we have our standard deviation. On the weekly time frame, we have a standard deviation from this low to this high. Price run into around the negative 2.5 to and we are heading for the 2.5 level. So we are very close to around that level. So this should be a drawn liquidity for me for this week, since we are bearish on dollar. So we are on the on the indices. We are currently Nasdaq is currently on the all-time highs, running. It's very, very bullish, and there's nothing. It's just going up. If you trade Nasdaq, you should understand, especially ICT students, you should know that we are on the all-time highs on Nasdaq. So this will be a drawn liquidity for me for this week. So, and this, let me zoom out a little bit so that I can be more specific with what I'm saying. So this candle will serve as another block for me. So I want to see price trade the new week, trade into the high of this other block, probably continue going higher or above this. So I want to use this weekly order block I want to use it as a PD array that will send price higher, continue going higher. But if we see anything that makes price trade below, because we closed very strong. If you see, previous week closed like a strong bullish candle, so I'm still expecting us to be bullish for this new week. Yeah, I don't know how it is, but my analysis here shows that I want to be bullish for the week. Because looking at this from the previous 2 weeks, previous 2 weeks ago, we traded into this order block here, the opening of this candle's body, and run below 2 weeks low, and continue going up. So I believe we just did a run on stops here, then broke structure to the upside and continue going up. So this negative 2.5 level should be a drawn liquidity for me, and that's what I'm aiming for this week on Nasdaq. So whatever analysis I do here, you should incorporate it with other indices. So, and going down to this was last week transaction. So generally I'm expecting a bullish week. So we have like I said, if you can see clearly, we have a fair value gap from this low to this body's high to this low. So this was that weekly order block I marked out, and I was expecting price to trade back to. So this is where I was expecting to see price trade back to, and there's a fair value gap below on the daily time frame here. So this could also be a potential PD array to send price higher, because looking at this, price opened for the new month, and immediately started trading higher. But I don't buy that. I want to see price trade below the opening price of the month. So this is a PD array that might support price to the upside. So that is it. So on Euro USD, let me go to Euro USD. I don't trade Euro USD, but I just like analyzing it. It's always going to be my baby. I like Euro USD so much. So, but I did analysis. Remember the analysis I did on dollar, so you just have to incorporate it there, just vice versa kind of. The dollar will be going up, the dollar will be going down, so you expect to be going down. So we have this is another block. So this is the opening price, like I analyzed on Nasdaq. So I want to see price trade below this very candle. there's liquidity resting below this candle. So if price trade below this candle, I want to see it run for this previous month's high, and there's a high here that's relatively equal with that monthly high, so it's very, very clean. So yeah, this will be a breaker, and from this other block here to this candle's high low, there's a kind of there's an inefficiency right there. So I expect to see price feel that inefficiency and rip to the upside, because that's what we have. That's the PDRA we have below. So that is it for this video, guys. I don't want to make it too long, so I just want you guys to understand where I'm expecting price to go to this week. So it's just a very simple, brief weekly review. Is it weekly review or weekly recap? Whatever. Weekly review. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, turn on post notification, because I'm going to be dropping content no matter how it is. I know they try for the content creating, but I they try my best anyhow it be. But I want to drop sense for you guys. So anyhow it be, guys, support it.